My name is Jorge Castillo, and as many of you, I had the opportunity to grow up, like kids in the picture, outside, learning by discovery. Unfortunately, this is becoming rare. This contact with nature has been proven time upon time to be valuable for well-being. Unfortunately, younger generations tend to spend less time outside, either by a structured learning environment that focuses on memorization rather than experimentation, or by the constant alienation of screens. Just take a second and figure out how many screens fight for our attention every single day. That technology is not bad. After all, it was a dream of mine to be able to have a computer, to be able to develop and create content to share my passion about nature. Thanks to the Ohio Museum Complex and the Grid Lab, I've been able to work with K-12 educators, scientists, biologists, park rangers, and naturalists of the region to figure out the best way to use immersive technology to tell the story of the foothills of the environment here in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, such a biodiverse place. Thanks to the collections of the Ohio Museum Complex, we know that there are more than 12,000 species living in the area. Some of those species are tiny at our fingertips. And through all my conversations, one group of them come most often, the pollinators, the local pollinators, and native plants, especially because their connection with our food production. So, where does all technology comes in? My creative project brings all the knowledge that I gathered from these educators, and I've been developing throughout these 3 years a scanner that uses hundreds of images to create a 3D model of a tiny insect, in this case the bumblebee, and being able to scale it out hundreds of times to 3D print it and create a sculpture like the one in the picture. With this sculpture, with the Ohio Museum Complex, my goal is to reach broader audiences and encourage the younger generation to go outside and explore. At the same time, I'm developing augmented reality app that will make people interact with this sculpture and create interesting ways to get outside and explore. Finally, I'm developing K-12, 3 to 6 lesson plans that teachers can use to tackle topics like life cycles and ecosystems. Finally, in 2025, technology doesn't have to be at odds with nature. We can use one to encourage the people to go outside and explore and reconnect with nature. Thank you very much.